We are back with some breaking inputs coming in after Akhilesh's election commission is dead jibe. And taking the Kafan attack on the poll body, Samajwadi Party says the election commission should wear a shroud. So the election commission being targeted once again by the opposition. Samajwadi Party says election commission is dead. Let's go across to Adib for more on this. Adib, Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav has once again targeted the election commission, and he's not just said that it's dead. This time around, he's also offering a kafan, a shroud for the election commission.
We'll definitely, Swati, see Akhilesh Yadav from time and again. He has been raising questions on the election commission and the election process in Mirkipur. And this time, again, Samajwadi Party, most of the members of parliament of Samajwadi Party, they are holding a white cloth symbolizing it as a shroud and saying that we are giving this shroud to the election commission and election commission should wear it. So Akhilesh Yadav and his party is now raising questions on the election commission, saying that election commission has lost all faith. They are acting on behest of the BJP. Meanwhile, BJP says that Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav and his party knows it very well that they are going to lose in Mirkipur, and that's why they are trying to blame it on the election commission. Once they lose the election, they are going to blame pinpoint all the blame on
stay on this. Let's in fact listen into that reaction of Akhilesh Yadav, who said that the election commission is dead.
हमारा लोकतांत्रिक देश है। हम सभी प्रेस के लोगों को बुलाना चाहते थे उस चुनाव को देखने के लिए। न केवल अपने भारत के प्रेस के लोगों को बुला रहा था मैं, बल्कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रेस को भी मैं बुलाना चाहता था कि कम से कम हमारे लोकतंत्र में किस तरीके से मतदान होता है वो देखें और समझें आकर के। मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है मैं सीधा पार्लियामेंट आ गया हूं। अगर मेरे पे कहीं सफेद कपड़ा मिल गया होता तो क्योंकि इलेक्शन कमीशन मर गया, मैं सफेद कपड़ा उन पे पहना देता। आप सोचिए, अधिकारी जाति देख करके पोस्ट हुए हैं।
And with that, we're slipping into a short break. Thank you to Adib for getting us the inputs.